Hey everybody, guess what I just got in the mail today? My Midland WR-100. I've been wanting this thing for years. I'm glad I finally snatched one before they all, or at least the offer that I found on Amazon ran out. I snagged the last one. So I am very, very happy about that. I'm gonna give it a quick snip snip. And crack this puppy open, get her set up. Might even do a quick sound off. See what the alarm sounds like. Ow. Ooh, that just pinched me real good. I'll be fine. Come on now. And yes, I know this isn't really the way you're supposed to hold scissors or point them near yourself. I'm trying to work with one hand right now. Give me the device. Oh yeah. Of course, we got ourselves an owner's manual. A beautiful WR-100. Ooh, look at that beautiful antenna. A lot better than my WR-120. Wanna know why? Because my WR-120 barely even has an antenna. Broke off years ago. Yeah, look at that. Let me get the power out of there. By the way, don't mind all this. This is just mess, and that's just my giant stuffed panda. Because stuffed pandas are all the rage. At least in my mind, they are. Okay. Power box on out of there. Yeet. Oh, it's got a. Ooh, you get to experience the peeling of the cover with me. Ready? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Did you enjoy that as much as I did? Because I sure did. Alright. Let's move on over to our station here. And get this puppy plugged in. As soon as I can take off the twisty tie with one hand. It's actually pretty easy. Surprisingly. Then again, I have huge fingers, so it's not like I'm trying to untie a death knot. Okay. And we plug this AC adapter. Not DC, it's AC. In. And we get this end. And let's hear this puppy purr. Oh? Do I have it in the right hole? That's what she said. Is that what he said? I don't know. Aha! It is alive! It lives! All right. Very nice. I like the display. I like that it's like a clear coat on top of it, or like a clear plastic thing. I think that's pretty cool. Oh yeah. I do like me those button beeps. I do like to set all of mine on voice, so it's like I can get the alert tone and then it'll switch over to, the information and stuff like that. I don't know. I just think it's a nicer. It's a nice feature to have, so that I get the fun of having the crap scared out of me, as well as being able to get the information that I want. That's good. Oh yeah, I will figure out same codes in a minute. Yeah, I think I have to set the same code before I can get it to work. But you know what? As a special bonus for all y'all sticking with the video so far, here you go. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Ready? Oh boy. Sorry, I'm just kind of holding it farther away from my hip because it's gonna scare the crap out of me. I'm almost certain. Oh. That's not nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay. Cool. But yeah. Brand spanking new WR-100 to add to my collection. Welcome to the family.